Hello? Saan mo ba kasi ginagastos yung pera mo? Kakasan ko lang sa'yo nung nakaraan ah. Sige, send ko sa'yo mamaya.
Yes, finally, I have money. Ay nako, kakakuha ko lang ng allowance, bawas na agad. May mga babayaran na naman, bayarin ulit. Grabe.
Guys, tara, kain tayo sa kantin. Oo nga! Ipit natin sa sarili natin. Gutom na.
Ay, kasi na ako, ito na lang sa pera ko. Pabili ng cake.
Grabe, allowance pa lang. Tapos na agad.
May babayaran kasi kahapon. Ayaw yung allowance. Tara.
Sige na.
Good day, everyone. We are Luan from Hotel 1A. And welcome to our vlog presentation for Ascar Campus Solitary Diaries India Edition. Today, sir, I'm Marjorie Villamor from Bachelor of Arts in English Language. So, we're here today to ask about budgeting. So, can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Jahil Almendas Oriol from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. So
So, the first question is, what financial struggles do you usually encounter as a student?
may counter na ko makuan is kana magkalisod gyud mi og budget jud kay sometimes kay akong kauban dagay amutan sa sahay magpalit sila sudan pa muton ta nila ana mo.
Second is, how much allowance do you usually receive in day or a week?
So in a week is sa kalibo, then kuan dayon kada adlaw inside 50 ra na akong kuan kay gasto kay gusto mo ko tipid yun. Pero now gyud usahay nga madakon yun kay na may amutan yun sa eskwelahan labi na pud sa boarding house pud.
Okay, thank you. So, number 3 is, what budgeting strategies works best for you?
Ang best yun is kanang tipid method yun like 20 ra sa kadlaw usahay pasikanto na lang. Tas mao ra budgeting method lang yun mag-balance lang yun sa imong kwarta.
So, number 4 is, what do you usually spend most of your allowance on?
Ang allowance is pangsudan, pagpalit bugas, dayon maora.
So, thank you very much, sir, for your operation. Sir, I am Megan Bicosing from Abel 1A. I have some questions for you. First is, what financial struggle do you usually encounter as a student?
Daily, struggle daily because of some instances which is dako na kayo siya tapos napatay plite pa daw ang eskwelahan back and forth.
Next is, how much allowance do you usually receive in a day or a week?
In a day, I'm targeting to spend like only 80 pesos. Yes, a week, my allowance is 1K. Nag-lisod siya kaya napipiliton ng bugas which is dako na ka siya nga kanang magasto nimo sa bugas mo lang.
What budgeting strategy works best for you?
Morning magplite, pag afternoon walking na lang para mas makatipid sa sa kanang kwarta o sa pamasahe.
Lastly, what do you usually spend most of your allowance?
Sa kanang daily needs like sudan or bugas, pang 1 week ang bugas tapos kanang everyday nga sudan. Umahaw pa ni adto og kanihapon.
Thank you, sir.
First, what financial struggle you usually encounter as a student? Mga amutan. Number 2 question is, how much allowance do you usually receive in a day or a week? Usually, every week, what budgeting strategy works best for you? What budgeting strategy works best for you? Sa pagkakaroon Lastly, what do you usually spend most of your allowance?
Giggle.
From what we've learned, budgeting is really about knowing our limits. Some of us list down daily expenses to track where the money goes. Others try to avoid impulse buying. It's hard to say no to milk tea or street food. But focusing on needs before wants really helps. And we also learn that saving even just coins makes a big difference, especially in emergencies. So this project showed us that budgeting is a real challenge for students. We realize that it's not about how big but it also teaches responsibility about how we manage it. Small the allowance is, our key takeaway is simple. Money may be limited, but with discipline and planning, we can always make it work.
Sabay na ako. Sasainin ako ba? Hello? Saan mo ba ginagastos yung pera mo? Nakasend ko lang sa'yo nung nakaraan ah.
Guys, tara, kain tayo sa kantin. Oo nga. I-pay natin sarili natin.
Ay, paso na ako. Ito na lang sa pera ko. Pabili ng cake.
Grabe, allowance pa lang. Tapos na agad.
May babayaran kasi kahapon. Ayaw yung allowance. Tara.
Pero magdala na nga.
Okay na?
Tara na, kain tayo sa kantin. Ay, oo nga. Kita natin sarili natin.
Ay, paso na ako. Ito na lang sa pera ko. Pabili ng cake.
Grabe.
Hello? Saan mo ba kasi...
Budget niya, give me lang. Dugi ka na kaan.
Sige, guns up! Diyan ako na ganito yung si Silke. Sige, guns up! Wala
Sige,
niya eh.
wala ba? Ginabak na ko ang kuan ba? Ginabak na ko ang Google Classroom na.
Huwag nakachat.
Nag-WhatsApp day ko.
Sige, guns up! Meron ko na ako.
Sa ko pinakauna ito na sa kwarto.
Oh. Kasi rin ka guns up.
I'm Biancy Bautista and I have a question here. First is, what financial